Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter dal. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh lentils, aromatic spices, and good quality butter. Next, rinse your dal thoroughly under cold running water to remove any impurities. Then, pressure cook the lentils until they are perfectly soft and creamy, ready for the next steps. This preparation ensures a smooth and flavorful base for your dish. Now, let's create the aromatic tempering that gives butter dal its signature flavor. In a separate pan, heat some ghee or oil over medium heat. Add whole spices such as cumin seeds and dried red chilies, letting them splutter. Then, sauté finely chopped onions and a fresh ginger garlic paste until they turn golden brown and incredibly fragrant. This step is crucial for building depth of flavor. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist or setting timers hands-free while making this delicious dal. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to bring everything together for our rich butter dal. Carefully pour the aromatic tempered spices directly into your cooked dal. Stir in some fresh tomato puree and a pinch of turmeric powder for color and taste. Let the dal simmer gently, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, stir in generous amounts of butter and fresh cilantro for that perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.